In this video, I'll show you how to find new SEO meme coins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if you want to see this, what you need to do, you need to be on your Dexscreener, right? Once you are on your Dexscreener, you're going to see this SEO right here. You click on this SEO, on the SEO tab, wait for it to load. Once it has opened up, you're going to see a lot of tokens right here, right? And I think this 29-year-old token has a market cap of $20 million, right? So you're gonna click on this new page, right? Click on the newest. Right here you can see the tokens are currently new. This token 29 minutes, 31 minutes, 43, 51, 56, 1 hour, 3 minutes, and a whole lot of them. So this is basically how you can find new SEO meme coins on Dexscreener. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and turn on the bell. Please share the video in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.